Hello and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on Monday, the 29th of April 2024. Last week we went long the Dow Jones Industrial Average at around 38,000, as you can see here. And for those who haven't cashed in their profits yet, what I may suggest to do is to perhaps move the stop loss from below the current April low to just below last week's low, around 37,235, in case one is still long on this trade. Now, the upside target is still intact around the 39,000 mark, and ahead of there we might have potential resistance here around 38,750, where the 55-day simply moving average comes in. And you can see here that the 39,000 mark is sort of within this sideways trading range we spent about a month in between February and mid-March. So most likely further upside still in store for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And since the story is quite similar with regards to the German stock index, I'd like to also use the current short pullback here to go long from a technical perspective, because last Thursday's bullish hammer formation was confirmed at Friday's close, which does increase the odds for further upside to be seen on this chart from a technical perspective, and therefore I'd like to enter that trade on the long side with a stop loss below Thursday's low. So this week's trade of the week is to go long the DAX 40 index with a stop loss below last week's low around 17,790 and an upside target of around 18,500 to 600.